A recent study has shown that China's own poor air quality and the smog blowing across the Pacific Ocean towards the United States from China is caused by the manufacture of goods for export to America. Powerful westerly winds can carry pollutants from China across the Pacific Ocean within days. The study shows that in 2006, sulfate concentrations in the western United States increased 2%, and ozone and carbon monoxide levels also increased slightly because of the transportation of pollutants from emissions that resulted from the manufacture of goods for export to the US. In 2006, China's exporting of goods to the US was responsible for an estimated 7.4% of sulfur dioxide emissions, 5.7% of nitrogen oxides, 4.6% of carbon monoxide, and 3.6% of black carbon. Black carbon is a climate-forcing agent formed through the incomplete combustion of fossil fuels, biofuel, and biomass. It is a particular problem because rain does not easily wash it out of the atmosphere, which allows it to travel long distances. Black carbon is linked to asthma, lung, and heart disease. However, the amount of air pollution in the western United States resulting from emissions from China is still very small compared with the amount produced by sources within the country.